It's the first big test of Campaign 2024, tomorrow's Iowa caucuses. Robert Costa previews what lies ahead.
Hot dog with ketchup and mustard?
Okay.
Thank you so much. The Iowa caucuses are tomorrow, so you might wonder why I'm here in Lower Manhattan. It's because this year the presidential campaign trail runs through courthouses, like this one.
In Washington this past week, attorneys for former President Trump argued in federal court that an ex-president should be immune from prosecution. Arguments that seem to get little love from the judges.
I feel that as a president, you have to have immunity. Very simple.
A ruling could come in days, though it could be appealed to the Supreme Court. Hinging on that decision is the Justice Department's case against Trump for attempting to overturn the 2020 election. Also on the docket, a federal trial for mishandling classified records, Georgia state charges of state election interference, and in New York, a defamation suit, plus trials over hush money payments to a porn star, as well as real estate fraud.
What percentage of your time these days is spent on your campaign? What percentage is spent on your legal issues?
Well, see, my legal issues, every one of them, everyone, civil and the criminal ones, are all set up by Joe Biden, crooked Joe Biden. They're doing it for election interference. And in a way, I guess you'd consider it part of the campaign.
Trump blaming his legal woes on conspiracy theories is just further evidence that they are more than a sideshow. They are a reckoning about what a Trump return to the White House would say about the country. While Iowans caucus tomorrow, the nation will also pay respects to the legacy of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Yet Trump's incendiary rhetoric on race, immigration, and on political revenge has only helped cement his lead in polls with Republicans. As Iowa plunges into Arctic weather, Florida Governor Ron DeSantis hopes to dent Trump's lead, while also battling former Trump ambassador Nikki Haley. Haley has her sights set on New Hampshire later this month, hoping to benefit from Chris Christie's departure from the race.
Trump allies tell me that this courthouse, where his businesses have been in the spotlight in a civil fraud trial, is now his center of the political universe, a place the candidate believes fuels his grievances and those of his supporters. And all of these court appearances underscore the stakes for Trump and the nation.